Hi, welcome to Littletek Pro channel. Today we're going to discuss about GitHub Copilot for a beginner. So this course is basically for a programmer or a non-programmer to how to use GitHub Copilot tool. And we're going to cover following topics. What is GitHub Copilot? AI behind Copilot, how to get access to it, how to use GitHub Copilot extension in Visual Studio Code, and also we're going to run a Python program by using GitHub Copilot on Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. GitHub Copilot is a game-changer code tool. Even if you are not a programmer, you might have some experience with autocomplete features on a mobile phone. So this tool automatically suggests new words as you start typing. GitHub Copilot is not free. It comes with individual subscription and the business subscription. For individual subscription, it is a $10 per month and $100 per year. For a business user, it's $90 per month. So it is an AI tool that suggests code in real time based on the comment or context. GitHub Copilot is a trained in all languages that train on a public repository. The GitHub repositories. It is the result of collaboration of GitHub, OpenAI, and Microsoft. What is the AI behind Copilot? AI system is called OpenAI Codex. Codex is based on GPT-3, Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3. So how to access to the GitHub Copilot? So first step would be you need to have an account in GitHub. So it's called github.com. If you don't have an account, you can come here and sign up and you can log into the GitHub account. So it's free. So after that, this is the GitHub Copilot documentation. What we need to do. Basically, this is the prerequisites. So first is once you have a GitHub account, then you need to active in the GitHub Copilot subscription. You need to use that GitHub account. Once you do that, you're good to go. You need to use an ID. For today's session, we're going to use Visual Studio Code, but you can use any of these ID. So let's discuss how to add GitHub Copilot extension into Visual Studio Code. So let's go to the Visual Studio Code, go to this extension tab here and click on that and search for GitHub Copilot. So this is the one which we're going to install. So click on install here. So it's installing now. Alright, it's installed now. So now you could see here it's asking to sign into the GitHub account. So click on that and click on allow and click on open. So after you successfully log into the GitHub account, you could see it here. Now GitHub Copilot icon is showing here. That means the Copilot extension has been installed successfully and also we're logged in. We're ready to go. Let me create a file here. So go to file, create a new file, and I'll give add.py. And I'll set this add.py Python file. And in GitHub Copilot, there is very interesting features out there. Suppose now I'm going to ask some questions here. So to ask the question, you need to type Q, then colon, what are the data type. So you see now it's automatically filling up. Based on the context, it's automatically asking. If you're looking for the same question, you can press the tab to accept this text. If you're not, you could see here. Next, this shortcuts are showing you next, previous, accept. So I'll put escape. So what are the data types in Python? So you see Python is coming. So I'll press tab to accept it. So once I put it here, you could see the answer is showing automatically. So now if I want to accept it, you could see here accept tab. So I'll press tab. So now you could see int, float, these are the data type. Any type of question, programming question you want to ask, it's going to give the answer. So this is a very cool features. Let's write a Python program. Let's see how does it work. Python program. So it's saying to add two numbers. That's what I'm looking for. So I'll press tab to accept this text. Press enter. So I'm going to use number 1 equals to, yeah, so I'm looking for to accept the inputs from the user. So it's the correct one. Input first number. So I accept this. Semicolon. Then number C automatically is saying number 2, second number, and /n. It will be into the different new line. So that's good. So I'll press tab. So it's adding 2 number. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. User might also enter float number. So I want to do integer. So what I'll do, I'll escape. So I'll say sum equals 2. So sum equals to the same float number 1, float number 2. But I want to do int. So what I'll do, I'll do int. See, automatically it's coming number 1, number 2. So I'll just press tab to accept it. Then display the sum. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. So it will print the value. That's what, yes, correct. So if I press tab, this looks correct. So you see here in this program, I hardly typed anything. Everything is automatically pre-populated. So that's very good. So I'll put the semicolon here. Save this and let's execute in the terminal. So run Python program is going to run the terminal. It says enter the first number, so I'll enter 12. Then enter the second number, I'll enter 13. Cool, the sum of 12 and 13 is 25. So in this video we discuss what is GitHub Copilot, what are the features of Copilot, and how to add GitHub Copilot extension to the Visual Studio Code. Then we ask the question and answer like ChatGPT 3. Let's get the answer. This is a pretty cool scenario. And then we wrote a Python program, we executed successfully. So any beginner wants to learn about the coding, and this tool is for 2 months free. You could utilize and learn. Any type of question you're going to ask is going to give the answer. So hopefully this video is helpful. Happy learning and thank you so much. If this video is useful to you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. There's a long way to go. Keep learning. Thank you. Namaste.